No, this is my second account.
Oh, really?
Yes, because I go live here and on on my main account.
Oh, really? Oh,
Oh, you know me? You recognize me?
oh yeah, yeah. But yes, I thought I just do your the first account.
Let's match.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, I have my first account, but then something happened earlier. That's why, yeah. I invited another person, and then this person has some restriction issues. Yeah. That's why, TikTok banned me, I mean, restricted me for going live on my main account. That's why I'm
Oh,
here.
really?
Yeah, so sad. And it's so
Oh,
cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, it's okay. I thought you will not accept me though.
Yeah, but I know you.
Oh, yeah.
Today you also took a film.
What?
Today you take a content.
Content?
You took a content. Today what did you do? How was your
No,
day?
no, no. I'm actually on a vacay right now. I'm at Japan.
Are you now Japan?
Yeah.
Or the Tokyo?
Yeah. No, no, no. Osaka.
Just to travel or the for business trip?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No.
I'm gonna go to Don Quixote earlier. Later. You know Don Quixote?
Yeah, sure, I know. The Don Quixote has so many products.
Yes. Exactly.
Do you know the Ichiran ramen?
Yes. I love that also. I
Yeah,
ate there earlier with ramen solo. Yeah,
yeah.
with a like little room. Yeah.
Oh, guys, we need 70 points, 70 points, 70 points, 70 points.
Guys, vote for Wanik, guys. Later, I will go to Shibuya's Japan.
Yeah, Legacy. Thank you for donut, guys. We need 40, 10 more, 10 points more, guys. Hey, Legacy.
Shibuya's Crossing, yeah. Dead Mashama. Oo, kasi ano siya eh. Parang sanay na siya sa akin.
The hour you're talking is one of the favorite. Oh, hey, really? Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the telling.
They are just messing up with you in the comments, okay? Don't mind them. Hello?
Hey, yes?
Oh, no, no, no. I mean, they are just messing with you. They are pranking you in the comments. Don't believe them.
Got it.
Yeah.
Sure, I know.
You know?
Hi.
Japan
guys.
surplus ka ata, ma.
The Maganda?
Yes, you're Poggy.
Poggy. Poggy. Poggy. What is the Poggy?
Poggy is handsome. And
Oh,
maganda is beautiful.
oh yeah.
What about in Korean? How will you see Poggy handsome in Korea?
잘생겼다?
Ano, lasing ka? What?
잘생겼다?
잘생겼다?
Yes, the Aganda is the 예쁘다.
Oo, 예쁘다.
Wow.
Yeah. Basta yun na yun. Bakla sobrang haba, hindi ko siya man.
Thank you for all, guys.
Bakla anong yepuda eh.
Oh, guys. Last 1 minute, guys. Hi, guys.
So cold out here. Di ba sinasakyan na lang ako sa trip niya, sa trip ko. Sinasakyan na lang talaga ako, guys. So what's your, how many hours are you live?
Oh, actually today I started so late time, just do an hour.
An hour ago?
Yes.
Yes.
How about you, as needed?
Yeah, same. An hour ago. An hour ago, they banned me. They restricted my one account, my other account.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I proved them wrong. I'm a fighter. I'm a survivor. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. Yeah. What's your favorite Korean song?
Oh, now actually I like the ballad. Do you know ballad? Ballad. 성시경.
No.
성시경, my favorite. One of my favorite ballad is 성시경.
Yeah, yung alam ko lang yung kurere bumbare, bumbarumbare. You know that song in the Squid Game? Na 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 na.
Ah, yeah, sure I know, sure I know.
Yeah, I love that song. That's my favorite right now.
Yeah, that is so nice. Hey,
Yeah.
Belly, thank you very much. Legacy, thank you very much. Wally, thank you for tapping. Wow.
Bakla ako naman sendan yun ng gift baklo. Huwag naman yung napapa... Chares.
$2. Wow.
Anong yepo dahil? Bahala ka talaga dyan, te.
Yepo
Ate, ang
daw.
init-init na. Hindi ko na ma-pretend na nasa Japan ako, te. Sobrang init na. Yes, he's from Singles Inferno.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, as near the just last match. You know?
Okay, go.
I understand.
That is my celebrity friend in Korea.
Now.
He's my celebrity friend.
Oh yeah, Legacy.
Ex-boyfriend though. Ay, hala. English pala yun. Sorry, hindi pala. English pala guys. Huwag niyong yun. Eme lang tayo na wala tayong baka nagulat siya eh. Basta, dating kapiling. Mami nagulat siya, pa eme lang tayo. Parang unbothered lang. Dating kapiling ko siya. Yes.
Hi guys. Thank you for following.
Oh, ganyan yan siya. Introvert lang siya. Ever since I follow. Ever since I saw you at Singles Inferno, you are kinda, what do you call that? You know, you are kinda intrusive daw. Bakla, bobo na ako. Anong tawag dun, te? Wait lang, kaya ko siya. Introvert? Yeah. Are you introvert or like you're ambivert?
Are you introvert?
You, what are you?
MBTI, you mean?
No. What are you as a person? Are you introvert, extrovert, or ambivert,
Introvert.
or inverter? Oh yeah.
Yeah. How about you? What is your the MBTI?
My MTRCB?
RCB.
No. I haven't. I don't know yet.
Oh really?
Yeah, I'm amphibian. What's your NFJ? That one? What's yours?
INFJ.
May NFJ ba? Probinsyano ata yun. Yeah.
I shared the role. Thank you for role. Thank you for roles, guys.
Nonchalant yung atake, baklo. Okay lang yan, ti. Gusto ko yan. Siya yung parang friend nating nonchalant na. Ano lang, andyan lang para sa atin. Yeah. I'm so sorry for being loud, okay?
No, it's fine. Totally
That's
fine.
my personality, right? I am loud, I am extrovert. Yeah.
Oh yes, I like the character. Yeah.
Sometimes I am a reptile.
Yeah.
Yada, wala. So sinasabi mo mukha akong ahas, ha?
내 솔로 적사 봤어.
Sinasabi mo mukha akong ano?
너무 재밌게.
Crocodile?
Don't spam, guys.
Agree lang siya, ma. Atake, di ba? You're doing this every day? Like live?
Yeah, the live almost to the 5 days the week.
Oh, okay.
But nowadays I don't have time enough, so just do some little time.
Yeah, same.
But I will do my best the live streaming the every day.
Mm.
How
Yeah, so
you also
I
every
saw
day?
it. Hello. I have also a cap here.
Mm.
I have also a black cap. I will wear so that we are twinning. I have a black cap here. The Latina challenge.
Wow, those look so similar.
Yes. Set. Galing ka mag-Latina, Teo. Meme, parang kamukha mo sa April Boy. Oh, wag na lang pala. Wag na lang pala. I mean, okay naman na si April Boy, pero hindi naman siya yung goal natin tonight. Nakakainis kayo. Huwag niyo ako ipahiya sa harapan ng ano ha. I think you will win this round again.
Really?
Yeah. In the last 10 seconds, you will
Oh,
lip sync for your life.
oh yes, guys. We gotta glow. We gotta glow, guys.
Yes. You gotta win. Bakla, dapat ako din. Bakla, o tingnan mo, ti. Pinapatala niyo yung Pinas, ti. What if, ano to, ti? Bakla, kayo, niyo, patala yung Pinas, ha? Ate, what if Olympics to? Bakla, wala na. Happy for you, though.
Hey, Billy. Thank you for the glow.
Congratulations!
Oh, Asnir. Marami salama.
Maraming salamat also to you. Kamsamnida. Is that what you call it?
Kamsamnida.
Yeah, kamsamnida. Kamsamnida.
Asnir, yeah, good night. See you. See you
Good
soon.
night. Yeah, see you.
Okay.
I will go to Don Quixote now.
Okay. Asnir, bye. Enjoy
Bye.
your Osaka.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Beans.